Hi everyone, my name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel, welcome. With me you can find cosmetics and cold process soap recipes and candles making process. Today I'm making a shaving foam for the face for men with mature skin with avocado oil and green clay. I've already prepped my ingredients. Water, surfactant, emulsifier, butter and oil will go to the bain-marie. When the surfactant and emulsifier will be completely melted, I'll remove it from the bain-marie and mix. Then I'll add the green clay and mix well. When the mixture will be almost cold, I'll add glycerin, conservative and lemon essential oil. Mix one last time and put in a jar. Sal Butter is soothing like Green Montmorillonite Clay. Vegetable glycerin will make the razor slide easier. Avocado oil is restorative. The SCI will make the product foam while the BTMS, in addition to guaranteeing its texture, leaves the skin soft. Finally, Sicilian Lemon Essential Oil must be free of furocoumarins, a molecule which can create spots on the skin if in contact with the sun, and is mainly used here for its smell, which is both invigorating and soothing, but it also has properties purifying. I leave you with the video. We obtain a rich texture but easy to spread. A small amount lasts a very long time. You can use a shaving brush or washcloth to lather the product directly in the container. However, be careful to remove the water and let your solid shaving foam dry before replacing the cap. Otherwise you can use a small spatula to take some product and lather it in your hands or directly on the area to be shaved. Protected from heat and humidity, and made in good hygienic and disinfection conditions, your recipe can be kept for up to 6 months. In case of extreme heat, I recommend that you place your product in a cool place. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I am also available on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to take a look at my other videos. I'll see you again soon for another video. Have a good evening everyone, bye.